Your safety matters, and having the right self-defense gadget can help. From small stun guns to hidden tactical pens, Amazon has many options. But with so many choices out there, which ones are actually worth your attention? So we've made a list of the best self-defense gadgets you can get on Amazon. Let's check them out. All the product links are available in the description below. Number 30. Multifunctional rings. Self-defense rings are discrete pieces of jewelry designed to provide personal protection in emergency situations. Crafted primarily from durable materials like stainless steel, these rings often feature concealed elements such as sharp blades or pointed edges. For instance, Defender Ring offers designs equipped with a 10mm concealed blade, combining everyday wear with self-defense functionality. These rings serve as both fashion accessories and practical tools, allowing wearers to discreetly carry a means of defense. When selecting a self-defense ring, it's essential to consider local laws and regulations, as well as ensuring the ring's design aligns with personal comfort and intended use. Number 29. Stunbrella. Disguised as a folded umbrella, this self-defense tool provides an element of surprise, delivering a powerful electric charge at the press of a button. Its concealed design ensures that potential attackers won't recognize the threat until it's too late. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily in a handbag or car, keeping it within reach when needed. Equipped with a built-in flashlight, it offers 280 lumens of bright illumination, making it ideal for nighttime walks or enhancing visibility in low light conditions. The flashlight can also be used to disorient an attacker. For added safety, it includes a safety switch to prevent accidental activation and anti-grab technology for extra protection. The package comes with a charging cable, ensuring it stays ready for use. Number 28. Instafire Xtreme. Instafire Xtreme is a self-defense tool that uses pepper spray, offering an easy-to-use solution for personal protection. Unlike traditional pepper sprays, this device is designed for comfort and quick accessibility. The spray canister is securely integrated into a glove, keeping it positioned in the palm for immediate use while walking or running. This hands-free design eliminates the hassle of searching through pockets in critical moments. Featuring a streaming spray pattern, it can accurately reach up to 16 feet even under pressure. Priced at $24, this compact and efficient tool enhances personal safety, with the canister clipping seamlessly into the glove for instant activation when needed. Number 27. Ideal Conceal 380. This is a uniquely designed firearm that solves the challenge of carrying a gun discreetly. Traditional firearms can be impractical due to both personal discomfort and the reactions of those around you. This innovative weapon resembles a smartphone when not in use, thanks to its folding grip that collapses into a compact rectangular shape. Measuring just 14 centimeters long and weighing 520 grams, it easily fits into a pocket without drawing attention, appearing no different from a regular phone or wallet. Despite its discreet design, Ideal Conceal is a fully functional firearm equipped with two .380 caliber barrels, offering reliable protection in critical situations. Number 26. Gerber Gear Impromptu. Its machined steel body is coated with Cerakote, making it highly resistant to corrosion while ensuring a secure grip in any condition. The pen's tip features a tempered steel glass breaker, allowing you to shatter a windshield or glass barrier in critical moments. With a push-button mechanism, it is equipped with a Rite-in-the-Rain ballpoint cartridge, ensuring smooth writing even in wet or dry conditions. A durable stainless steel pocket clip enhances portability, making it easy to store in a pocket or attach to a holster. This versatile tactical pen combines practicality with durability for everyday carry. Number 25. Zap Blast Knuckles Stun Gun. This self-defense stun device is perfect for walkers and joggers, offering both protection and convenience. Designed to fit securely around your hand, it ensures quick access in case of an emergency. The contoured rubber-coated grip provides a firm hold, preventing slips even in high-stress situations. A conveniently placed safety switch allows for fast activation with just a thumb movement. Additionally, a built-in red LED light indicates when the device is powered on, helping to prevent accidental discharge. The package includes two lithium batteries and a durable nylon carrying case for easy storage and transport. Number 24. MASALONG Survival Claw. Its compact size, measuring 18 centimeters in total length with an 8 centimeter blade and an 11 centimeter handle, ensures easy portability and accessibility. The double-edged blade is crafted from stainless steel, known for its balance of hardness and corrosion resistance, and features a black stonewash finish that enhances its durability and reduces glare. The ergonomic handle, made from G10 material, provides a secure and comfortable grip essential in high-stress situations. For safe storage and quick deployment, the knife comes with a sheath, allowing for convenient attachment to belts or gear. While this knife offers practical applications for self-defense, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with and adhere to local laws and regulations regarding the possession and carry of such tools. Number 23. Gun safe for pistols. This gadget is designed to enhance safety for those who keep firearms or other self-defense weapons at home. Storing weapons securely is essential, and this biometric gun safe provides a reliable solution, available in two versions, one with a biometric fingerprint scanner and another with a digital keypad. This heavy-duty pistol safe offers robust protection. Weighing 12.5 pounds, it is one of the most secure options in its category. The biometric sensor can store up to 20 unique fingerprints, capturing high-resolution images with a match speed of under 0.2 seconds for rapid access. For added flexibility, users can also unlock the safe using a manual key or a 4 to 8 digit PIN code, ensuring quick and secure entry when needed. Number 22. She's Birdie. Birdie is a compact personal safety alarm designed to grab attention and deter potential threats. When activated, it emits a loud siren and flashes a strobe light, creating a distraction in emergencies. Operating it is simple. Just pull out the top pin to turn it on and insert it back to deactivate. The alarm is reusable, and its replaceable batteries provide up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Many users appreciate its vibrant design, ease of use, and portability, as it easily clips onto keys or bags. However, opinions differ regarding its sound intensity, durability, and overall value. Number 21. Ankaka Tactical Pen. Crafted from ultra-durable aircraft aluminum, this discreet yet powerful self-defense pen is designed for both protection and practicality. Its textured grip on the handle and thumb head ensures a secure hold, allowing for maximum force transfer when needed. Built to withstand impact, it is rust-resistant and highly durable. Unlike traditional tactical pens, its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and when used as a ballpoint pen, it weighs half as much as standard models, addressing balance concerns. The pen provides smooth, smear-proof writing with quick-drying ink and is compatible with 2.75-inch standard refills. As a 6-in-1 multi-tool, it integrates a self-defense tip, flashlight, ballpoint pen, bottle opener, screwdriver, and hexagonal wrench. Number 20. Streetwise Phone Stun Gun. This stun gun is cleverly disguised as a realistic-looking smartphone, making it nearly undetectable to the untrained eye. Hidden within its deceptive design is a powerful stun gun capable of delivering 14 million volts, 1.05 microcoulombs, of electricity at the push of a button, effectively incapacitating any attacker. Additionally, it features a piercing alarm designed to deter threats before they strike. A built-in LED light serves a dual purpose, illuminating dark areas and temporarily disorienting potential threats. All three functions run on a rechargeable internal battery, which conveniently charges via the included USB cable. For added safety, a built-in switch prevents accidental activation, ensuring secure handling. Number 19. M48 Spiral Knife. This fixed blade dagger is designed for strength and precision, featuring an 8-inch blade with 3 spiraling cutting edges that converge into a sharp piercing point, making it highly effective for penetration. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, allowing for better control during use. For added functionality, the stainless steel skull crusher pommel can be used as an impact tool for self-defense or emergency situations. A built-in handguard ensures safe handling, preventing accidental slips. To make carrying and storage more convenient, the dagger comes with a durable Vorte belt sheath, allowing for quick and easy access when needed. Number 18. VALHALLA Folding Sickle. The folding scythe is a compact and practical self-defense tool designed for both reliability and portability. Its stainless steel blade maintains razor-sharp precision even with repeated use, making it a dependable choice in emergencies. The ergonomic black wood handle ensures a firm, comfortable grip for better control. With a 2-stage folding design and a secure latch mechanism, it stays safely locked when not in use, preventing accidental deployment. For added convenience, it includes a durable leather sheath, allowing for easy and discreet carry. carry. Number 17. Protegat Self-Defense Belt. The Protegat Self-Defense Belt is a stylish yet functional accessory featuring a concealed knife within the buckle. Designed for comfort and ease of use, its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, while the locking mechanism keeps the knife firmly in place, allowing for quick retrieval when needed. Available in both folding and fixed blade versions, this belt blends seamlessly with formal or casual outfits, offering a discreet self-defense option. While the exact price is currently unavailable due to the manufacturer's website being down, buyers can explore similar options within their preferred budget range. Number 16. Wanderer Throwing Spikes. Designed for precision and control, these 125 grams throwing spikes are perfectly balanced for smooth mid-range throws. Their carefully crafted shape ensures a straight and accurate trajectory, making them great for both beginners and experienced throwers. The engraved grip not only adds style but also improves handling for better control with every throw. Number 15. Munio Keychain Kit. This small yet effective self-defense keychain provides a discreet way to stay protected in tough situations. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, it is built to withstand repeated use without wearing out. Its compact and legal-friendly design makes it suitable for carrying in many places, including concerts and schools. Lightweight and easy to keep in a pocket or purse, it ensures quick access whenever needed. Number 14. Lipstick Stun Gun. Disguised as a sleek lipstick, the Guard Dog Security Electra combines style with self-defense, housing a high-voltage stun gun that delivers a loud, intimidating sound to deter threats. It also features a 100 lumen flashlight for added visibility in low-light conditions, making it practical for both daily use and emergencies. Designed for convenience, this rechargeable device eliminates the need for battery replacements, ensuring reliable performance whenever needed. Measuring just 4.5 inches, it easily fits in a purse, pocket, or on a keychain, offering quick access to protection at a moment's notice. Number 13. Crosman BB Air Rifle. It is a CO2-powered BB Air Rifle designed to deliver an exhilarating shooting experience. Powered by two 12-gram CO2 cartridges, it achieves velocities up to 430 feet per second FPS. The rifle offers both full and semi-automatic firing modes, with an impressive rate of fire reaching 1,400 rounds per minute. It comes equipped with a 25-round dropout magazine compatible with standard 4.5mm steel BBs. The design includes a 6-position adjustable stock, AR-compatible buffer tube and pistol grip, and a quad forearm accessory rail, allowing for extensive customization. Its realistic weight and familiar controls make it suitable for skill development, training, and recreational shooting. Number 12. Tactical Hair Clip. This set of 4 tactical hair clips combines practicality with creativity, offering more than just a way to secure your hair. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these clips are built to withstand tough conditions. Their versatile design includes a shard-style tip for opening boxes, a mini screwdriver for adjusting glasses, and even a saw edge for cutting through zip ties. Customers appreciate the quality, secure hold, and unique design, noting that the clips stay in place without damaging hair. While most are satisfied with their multifunctionality, some have reported paint chipping and concerns about sturdiness. Number 11. Byrna Shield. The Byrna Shield is a bullet-resistant insert designed to enhance personal safety by easily fitting into standard-sized backpacks. Weighing approximately 14 ounces, this thin and flexible level 3 A-rated ballistic plate can withstand up to 6 shots from a .44 Magnum, with bullet velocities reaching 1,464 feet per second. Its lightweight and unobtrusive design make it suitable for daily use, providing an added layer of protection without compromising comfort or aesthetics. This makes it a practical choice for individuals seeking discreet personal defense solutions. Number 10. Bead Necklace. This stylish necklace doubles as a discreet self-defense tool, crafted from durable stainless steel for both function and fashion. Designed to be worn as a necklace or chain, it seamlessly blends into everyday accessories while offering a hidden layer of protection. The beads are strategically designed to serve as a defensive tool when needed, providing a quick and effective way to safeguard yourself in unexpected situations. Beyond its primary use, this versatile accessory can also be worn as a waist chain or a hand bracelet, adapting to different styles and preferences. Combining elegance with practicality, this necklace ensures you're always prepared without drawing attention, making it an ideal self-defense option for daily wear. Number 9. SABRE Pepper Spray Pen. If you're looking for a discreet way to boost your personal safety, this pepper spray pen is a smart choice. Designed to resemble a regular pen, it blends seamlessly into your daily essentials, making it easy to carry without raising suspicion. With the ability to release up to 15 bursts and an effective range of 8 feet. It allows you to defend yourself from a safe distance. Compact and practical, this self-defense tool ensures quick access in an emergency while maintaining a low profile. Whether kept in your pocket, bag, or desk, it provides a reliable layer of protection without compromising convenience or style. Number 8. Magic Pocket Staff. This pocket staff is a compact yet effective self-defense tool, offering an extra layer of protection when needed. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry, whether for outdoor activities or travel. With a quick extension mechanism, it provides added reach to help keep threats at a distance. Built with sturdy materials, it ensures durability and reliability during use. Discreet when closed, but powerful when deployed, this tool is a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their personal safety. Number 7. Pen Stun Gun. The Pen Stun Gun is a compact and discreet self-defense gadget designed for easy carrying and use. With a powerful 1.6 microcoulomb charge, it can temporarily incapacitate an assailant, while even a test fire into the air can serve as an effective deterrent. Its lightweight, sleek design allows for easy concealment in a backpack, purse, or pocket, ensuring quick and comfortable access. The sturdy metal clip prevents it from getting lost in your belongings, while the built-in battery indicator ensures you keep it fully charged via the included micro USB cable, whether through a computer's USB port or a wall charger. Number 6. United Undercover Tanto Black. A handmade knife designed for concealed carry, providing an element of surprise in critical moments. Crafted from Japanese AUS-6 steel, originally developed for knives, it is easy to sharpen and maintain. Measuring 7.25 inches in length, it comes with a durable nylon sheath that can be securely fastened to a belt, ensuring discreet carry. Priced at just $16, it offers affordability without compromising on functionality. Reviews highlight its well-balanced design, making it suitable for throwing with confidence, though some users recommend additional sharpening before first use. Number 5. M48 Tactical Sword. Concealed within this durable cane is a 24.5-inch razor-sharp stainless steel blade designed for quick deployment when needed. The black oxide-coated blade maintains a low-profile tactical appearance, making it discreet yet highly effective. For self-defense, outdoor adventures, or everyday mobility, this cane is built for both function and reliability. Its injection-molded nylon shaft and rubberized grip ensure durability and comfort, while the secure top handle provides a firm hold. A rubber foot enhances stability on various terrains, allowing for smooth everyday use. Engineered for versatility and strength, this rugged sword cane seamlessly blends practicality with protection. Number 4. Ballista Bat Compound Mini Crossbow. With a draw weight of 130 pounds and the capability to shoot bolts at speeds up to 300 feet per second, it offers substantial power in a portable form factor. Weighing approximately 2.46 pounds and measuring 16 inches in length and 5 inches in width, the crossbow is easy to carry and maneuver. It features a built-in self-retracting cord tensioner, enabling quick, easy, and silent loading, which is beneficial in situations requiring stealth and efficiency. The crossbow's design includes a Picatinny rail, allowing users to attach various optics such as red dot sights, scopes, or laser sights to enhance aiming precision. Number 3. Pistol Ring. Handcrafted entirely from sterling silver without the use of machines, this ring showcases detailed hand engraving. It fires 2mm centerfire ammunition, similar to the rounds used in my models, and has enough power to puncture a beer can. While its accuracy and effective range are negligible, the steel ball projectile can still pierce a can with ease. Though not a conventional weapon, it is capable of causing injury, as the bullet can become embedded under the skin, making it difficult to detect and extract. Number 2. Big Rig Defense. A versatile tool designed for both practical applications and self-defense. Measuring 17.75 inches in length with a 1.25 inch diameter, this device is crafted from high-quality hickory wood, ensuring durability and resilience. Its primary function is to allow truckers to quickly check tire pressure by delivering a firm thump and listening for the appropriate sound, facilitating efficient maintenance on the road. Beyond its automotive use, the weighted design and comfortable grip make it an effective self-defense instrument, providing users with a reliable means of protection. Additionally, it serves as a fish bat knocker, highlighting its multifunctionality. Number 1. Mini Neck Knife. A compact and versatile tool designed for everyday carry and self-defense. Crafted from stainless steel, it offers durability and reliability in various situations. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to wear around the neck or carry discreetly, ensuring quick access when needed. While primarily intended for tasks like hunting, camping, fishing, and field survival, its robust construction and sharp blade also make it a viable option for self-defense. However, it's essential to check local laws and regulations regarding carrying such tools, as legal restrictions may apply. Additionally, proper training and handling are crucial to ensure safety and effectiveness in self-defense scenarios. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know which one of these gadgets you liked the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.